spreading diseases and all such things. So people during the situation, people are preferring to have a rural life than the urban life, and this situation teaches us that urban life is the rural life is also very much important than the urban life. In my view, I think that.
Yeah, I would prefer urban life over the rural life. In urban life, we will have the access of all the facilities. Like if you are going somewhere, then we will have the access like metro train or traffic. Apart from this, hospital, and there are so many things in day-to-day life that we will be needed. But if we'll go in the rural area, we'll definitely not find such kind of facilities. Also, I would rather prefer urban life as compared to rural, because in rural area uh, you will find the people of with narrow minded. The mindset of the people is a little lower side, and if you compare with urban area, then people will find with the good thinking. Also, there would be no partiality between a boy and a girl. So this is my preference.
It's not necessary that in urban life there will be no partiality, and in rural life there will be partiality. It's not necessary. In my view, it's not
Yeah,
necessary that. But and I want to oppose your one point of yours. I think rural person have a more broader thinking than an urban person or urban person. As
uh, yeah. There is no doubt. There is no doubt that there will be no partiality. But the thing is that in urban area, the mindset of the people is like some type of creative mindset. But if you will go in rural area, the people are doing same day to day. They are busy in day to day life. They are not much creative. They don't want to
it's
initiate. Yeah,
Yeah, can I put one point? Yeah.
yeah,
yeah.
sure.
Here I want to say, I would like to say that if we are just preferring like which life you would like urban or rural. So from my point of view, I concerned that I feel that right, if you can compare the urban and rural life, in each life we are facing there are some plus point as well as some negative means less points. If you compare the life in urban area or life in rural area, in urban area, because of too much advanced technology or because of new technology we are availing, so our life is too much fast. So here we are lacking some piece of our life. But if you compare this life to rural area it's not advanced, but their life and their peace of mind, I feel that there it is. Okay.
Yeah, I yeah,
Yeah.
I
There
really
is a peace mindset.
I really appreciate your point, and I am entirely agree with your point. But
Yeah.
what I am saying is, if you really want to, improve your lifestyle, or if you really want to do something in your life, then I'm pretty sure that we would not be able to do that if we are, living in rural area. But if we are living in urban area, then definitely we will, have the some kind of thinking, and also we will find the people who will help you out if you are stuck in somewhere. There will be the people in urban area, they will help you out. Also you can improve yourself in a better way,
Yeah.
for the betterment of your career. It would be really helpful to live
Yeah.
in urban area.
Okay. Yeah. See, I would like to say something about it on this point. See, uh, if you want to, something do in your life, I feel that from my point of view, if you know or if you learn something, if you can go in urban area or you can apply it in your rural area as well. Means you can put out your business in rural area, it can be developed. But yeah, from the career wise, if you have some some area, like you can say like education, or you can take IT jobs, if you prefer specifically field like IT or something, you will get. If you want to go, then you have to prefer urban area. But if you want like a peace
I
or
don't think that.
yeah, just to
Yeah.
finish, just I want to finish my point. See, if you want to go or do something business, so you can put it in a rural area as well, like some agriculture products you can put, or you can develop some business, like if you have a grapes farm, so you can put some wine factories, and also that you can, or you can, if you have a money, you can introduce the colleges and all. So you will also get the employment, or you can contribute something into the society as well. So if you compare the life, so I want to say here, like I want to means live my life in both area, not only specific urban area, not only rural area. From my point of view, I really want to live my life half of the time in urban, half of the to at least rural area. So it feel like we are ground to earth, means we are in the something roots. We are connecting with our roots. So because our urban life is very fast, and we are we don't have a time to for our relative. But if you can take our example, like we are staying from a different place from our hometown. Why? Because of job in urban area. But if you go for the festival in your specific rural area or something, you feel that connection, or you means getting some peace.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, but I am not agree with your business point. Suppose it's totally depend upon the nature of the business. Suppose if you are in some kind of technology business, then definitely you won't you will not be succeed in a rural area. For that, you have to have put your business in urban area. Then only you would be able to survive, and then you would be able to achieve the height that you want to be.
Yeah, don't.
Because in yeah because
As
in
there is a lot of population, and there is a lot of crowd over there, so every person have a different mindset, so there is possibility that there will be a more selling or more enhancement of the business so in urban area. But if you are doing the same business, or if you are doing something in the tech zone, and which is near which is in urban area, or near urban area, near rural area, sorry, then there also the business can be spread. It's not necessary that you have to see the area surrounding, not the urban or rural area. In
then
my
again
clear point of
yeah
that.
See, there is a no
again
doubt. See, there is a no doubt about, like if you want to go, or if you want to do career in IT field or something. Also,
IT field,
not
but I didn't
sentence.
agree with IT fields, as in the COVID-19 situation, people are practicing, people are doing codings and all such things from
Yeah.
their homes.
So I
Uh,
would like to interrupt you, Vaibhav. I just want to finish my sentence. So I'm just telling
yeah,
here
sorry.
that I'm just pointing out that, so if you want to do career in IT field or some like a technological field, if you don't have access in your rural area where you are staying right, hometown or something, so, definitely you have to come or you have to take like urban area. You have to come. You have to prefer. But I'm just here want to say that if you want to suppose if you have your own grapes farm, okay, so if you want to go in business or something, so you can create in your hometown, because there is a raw material is in your hand already. So I feel that if you have a material, so you can also expand the business in rural area as well.
but
Okay.
again as yeah but again as I said earlier, it's totally dependent upon the nature of the business
Yeah,
that you are doing. Okay.
yeah. That's what.
I'm telling you that if you are doing some kind of technology business, in every business nowadays, you can't improve your business without the help of technology. So definitely the technology support will be required to start any kind of business. Okay. But the my point is that in rural area, the people are not much technology friendly as of now. Okay, it will take time.
Praveen, I'm
It's
sorry to interrupt you.
A rural area, I
With this
think you
point, okay,
think a
I'm
rural
totally
area is
disagree with
something
this
like
point.
a village or something like that. I think you think, Praveen sir, I think you are thinking that rural area is something like village or small place where there is huts and all. I don't think
no,
that
no, no, no. Even
rural area is that.
let me tell you, even if you compare with a metro city with the tier two city, then also you will find the difference. Because in metro cities, people are much aware, about the technology, and they are very much friendly with the technology, and they,
Yeah,
really want to adapt the new things. But if you will go in the tier two cities or in rural area, definitely I'm not saying that you will not be able to grow your business. You will be able to grow your business,
the
but
right like
the time and the effort you will be needed to grow your business. It would be immense.
Yeah,
What I'm trying
like
to say.
In
Tata started his factory in Jamshedpur. I have seen Jamshedpur and I have known about it. And it was a rural area when he started his factory and when he started all his business. Slowly and steadily, as he
But
opened his factory
again,
and did his business enhanced, and
again,
he
Vaibhav,
grows he
let
grows
me tell you.
Jamshedpur in a rural area.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I know I want to make a point here. You have given me the example of Tata, but when the Tata started their business from Jamshedpur, there was not too much, technology involved in that, because it's completely was the production type work. You have the factory, you have the production, you just need required labor, to complete the production.
Yeah,
Okay, there was not.
in every industry, there is technique as well as labor.
No,
There is technology and as well as labor required.
yes,
A lot
but
of labor required in every industry and every factory. I have seen a lot of steel factory near around me, as there is Tata Steel in Bokaro. There is a steel hub. I think a lot of steel production is there in Giridih, which is near around me, and there is lot of steel scrap and all the things produced there. They need labor. They do not need technology more than labor. They need labor
so
more than technology. Sorry.
that's why it's totally depend upon
Yeah,
what kind of business you are doing,
and
what kind of business you are doing.
it is
And
just it is just a rural type rural area, and it is the business is spread so